So we're down here in Catford in southeast London. This is our tuck pointing project all completed now, just waiting for our decoration team to finish off another project and then come along and start the decoration on this project. So what we did on this project was we brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. Used to look like the brickwork next door. We cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks, and then we've tuck pointed all of the brickwork, as you can see. Once again, another beautiful finish to the brickwork as always. So like I say, just got a decoration team to come in next, decorate all of the stonework. We're painting all of the woodwork, front door and frame, just to finish off this beautiful transformation. Lads have done an amazing job on this as usual, and looks really, really good finish once again. We're also doing a house now a few doors up. Customer see the quality of work we was doing on this project. Actually had his house repointed earlier on in the year, decided to take it all out and get us to do it all properly. So I'm just going to show you how the lads are getting on this one. So we're doing a like for like finish on this one. So what the lads did was took out all of the weather struck cement pointing that had been repointed in, cleaned all of the brickwork like the house down the road, and now once again tuck pointing the front of this property to match the adjoining property. So yeah, looking really, really good. Also looking at tuck pointing all of the back of the house for this customer, wants all of the back of the house tuck pointed. Also looking at doing this house next door here, they want the same finish. And then we're also looking at this house for the customers now, just in discussion with these guys here as well about pebble dash removal on this one. So taking all of the pebble dash off and having it all tuck pointed like these two houses we've been working on here. So yeah, really busy times. Lads are doing a really good job. Customers are really happy with everything we've done so far, and yeah, looking like more houses to do on this road. So if you like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.